In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text in Inkscape. Let's keep this simple and straightforward so you can get text onto your canvas with confidence. Once Inkscape is open, you'll see the main canvas in the center and a tall toolbar running down the left side. That vertical toolbar is where you'll find the tool you need for typing. Inkscape treats text as a live, editable object, so what you add now can be adjusted later without losing quality. To start, choose the Text tool. On the left, look for the icon that looks like a capital A. Clicking that tells Inkscape you want to create text, not shapes or paths. If you prefer using the keyboard, you can press the T key to select the same tool. Either way, you're switching into text mode and your cursor will be ready to place an insertion point on the canvas. Next, place your text cursor. Move your mouse to the exact spot where you want the text to begin and click once. A single click sets the starting position and establishes the baseline for your first line of text. You'll usually see a blinking cursor appear, which is your signal that Inkscape is ready for typing. Take a moment to choose a clear area of the canvas so you can easily see what you're typing as it appears. Now, type your text. Just type normally, the same way you would in a document. As you enter characters, they'll flow out from the insertion point you set, building one line at a time. Don't worry about perfect wording on the first try. You can always come back and refine it later. The important part here is simply getting your words onto the canvas so they become a text object you can work with. When you're done typing, finish the text entry. Press the ESC key on your keyboard or click the Select tool. This is the arrow icon. And you can also use the S key to get to it. Doing this tells Inkscape you're finished typing for now and returns you to selection mode. You'll notice your text is now a distinct object on the canvas. At this point, you've successfully added a text object you can move, resize, and edit later as your design evolves. Because it's live text, it stays crisp at any size and remains fully editable, which is perfect for labels, headers, and design elements that may change. This quick process is the foundation for all your future text work in Inkscape, and it ensures your words are ready to fit seamlessly into your project.